Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom. In this video, I will be analyzing Hive Blockchain stock, today's earnings report, and I will be providing a price prediction. So let's get straight to it. I will first be going over the price action of Hive and Bitcoin, and after that, I'll be going into the earnings report. Hive has had a pullback from 5.75 to 3.56 at the same time as when Bitcoin has had a pullback from 58,000 to 43,000. And after that, Bitcoin has increased as of now to 48,000 and Hive has increased from 3.56 to 4.36. I am making this video right now to let you know that there is still time to get into Hive Blockchain before it goes much higher along with Bitcoin. The share prices of several Bitcoin mining companies have decreased due to the recent correction in the price of Bitcoin. And due to this might be a good time for investors to come in and add to their positions. Guys, just wanted to ask something. To make these videos, it does take a lot of time and effort. So if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. In order to predict the future price of Hive, we need to be able to predict the future price of Bitcoin. By the end of this video, I hope to provide you with a lot of information about when to enter and exit Bitcoin and when to enter and exit Hive. Bitcoin has decreased from its all-time high of 58,000 to around 48,700. Well, it did go down to a low of around $43,000, and this was a correction of 25%. If we have a look at the bottom right corner of the screen, we have the 1-year returns at 427%, year-to-date returns of around 68%, 6-month returns of 267%, and 3-month returns of 76%. Guys, this is something you really don't want to miss out on. This clearly shows that those investors who are willing to hold their funds for the long term are outperforming the short-term traders. Now, if you have a look at the price of Bitcoin and this yellow line, Bitcoin was in a downward trend, and now it has broken out of this trend and is now at around 48,700, 800. I feel this has decreased the probability of Bitcoin going down to this horizontal support of 41,000. I don't feel this is going to happen now. In my opinion, Bitcoin is going to consolidate in this region and then eventually break out above this all-time high of 58,000 and go towards the next price target of 70,000. I would like to point out that Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy has invested $1.03 billion in Bitcoin at a price of 52,765 per Bitcoin. So basically, if you were to buy Bitcoin today at 48,700, you would be making 7 to 8% more than what Michael did. This article is on the 24th of February. And after this, as we can see here, Michael has made a second purchase of Bitcoin at a price of 45,710. This is on the 1st of March. There is a very short span of time between these two purchases. Michael Saylor is basically trying to take advantage of the pullback in the price of Bitcoin, and you should do the same. For those of you who are already positioned in Hive, it could be quite volatile during this phase of the Bitcoin correction. Please continue to hold as we are nowhere near the time to sell. If you panic sell in the middle of all this volatility, you will miss out on the opportunity of making big gains when Bitcoin goes above its all-time high of 58,000. As Bitcoin increases, Hive seems well positioned to break through its 52-week high of 7.25, and this should happen within the next 6 months. For now, I just want all of you guys to profit from the Bitcoin bull run. Now let's have a look at the earnings report. Hive has reported that the income from digital currency mining in Q3 has increased by 174% in comparison to the same quarter in the previous year. In the third quarter, the income has been $13.7 million. The gross mining margin has also increased to $10.6 million from $3.8 million in the previous year. The factors that can move a crypto mining stock are the daily coin price, the current hashing power, and the future potential hashing power. As we can see from this graph, Hive stock has outperformed the other Bitcoin mining stocks in the industry like Riot, Hut8, and Bitfarms. This is actually quite impressive. The number of Bitcoin mined by Hive has also increased from 88 in Q2 to 165 in Q3. Hive also has operations in Sweden and Iceland where they mine Ethereum, and this has been quite profitable. On an average, Hive mines about 20,000 Ethereum per quarter. In Q3, it was 21,500 Ethereum. Please also listen to the webcast as they provide some information that is not provided in the earnings report. Hive has purchased 10,500 next generation miners, and this has taken the company's operating hash power to 2,474 petahash or 2.474 exahash per second. This has allowed the company to surpass its goal of having hash power of 2,000 petahash in 2021. Hive also has access to low-cost green or renewable energy. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have been following the crypto and Bitcoin mining space from a while now, and based on my research, I'm trying to share my opinion with you guys. Please also do your due diligence before making a purchase. I really believe that Hive is a great stock to hold for the long term during this Bitcoin bull run. Well, that's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading and see you in the next video.